Dolce, you cleaning the baby. She's such a good mama. Yeah. See if she had 1, 2, 3, 4. Her leg. She got 5. In the last video she only had 4, but when I left the house, came back, she had another one. 4 girls and 1 boy. And she's such a good mommy. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's our little family. Yeah. And they're all eating, which is good. She's a good mama. Yeah. She's a baby. She's such a clean mama. Dolce. Who's that? Huh? These people are loud, huh? Yeah. She needs to stop cleaning them for a minute so they all can get there to eat. Well, that's it for now. When they get a little bigger, I'll do another video. Say bye-bye.